Welcome to the module on support and resistance. As I told, if you have in-depth knowledge of the candlestick, which you are definitely going to get in the course, and if you combine it with any of the powerful tool like support and resistance, demand or supply, or the price action setups which I used to give to my candidates, if you combine any of them, it will just do magics. The previous crashes, though it's a COVID crash, or though it could be any upcoming crash happened in the past, there were some secret which always follow some support and resistance lines. Because if you use the candlestick and support and resistance properly, only this much out of the 100 magical things, if you use only this one thing, believe me, you will able to get a lot points or money in those crashes or breakouts. Even it was in the past or even it is coming in upcoming future. So support and resistance is very important topic, though it is a candlestick, though it's a price action. In candlestick, there is no need to explicitly mention support and resistance. We should only need to focus on candlestick. But candlestick will do magics with support and resistance. It's one of the best combination of support and resistance with the candlestick, and people, the trainer and many training program only charge for these magical tools which you are going to get here in the course, and so magical different setups I'm going to give you in upcoming sessions in the live market. Anyway, so this video I'm going to focus on support. What is mean by support? I define support is nothing but a line where many people are interested to buy. So many interested buyers are there, people are ready to buy at that particular point or in that particular line. Also, I can say this is the line where people think the price is now cheaper to buy. Let me tell you, there are two types of supports: major support and minor support. What is major support? Major support is the one, this is what it's a rule given by me as per my experience. If a price turn backs from a line at least three times or more, that is called a major support. And if the price at most turns two times is called minor support. Means the price will either turn one time or turn backs two time maximum is called minor support. Minor supports are found above the major support, and major support is found below the minor support. I hope you are not able to get all the theory digested. No worries, I am going to demonstrate here. Here you can see an example. The price came back. Just see that price came back, taken the support from here and revert back. Price came back, taken the support from this line, revert back. Price came back, taken the support from this line and revert back. So this is the line where we have, as per my thumb rule, we have three supports. We have three turn backs, three supporting points, I can say. Three time the price turn backs from here. So this I can say is a major support. Let's see this example. Here you can see price came here, taken the support, get back, and price again started taking support one time and twice. That's it. And third time it's not taken the support, it just came. So this kind of supports are called minor support. Means the minor support would always be above the major support, and these are not strong supports. Here price may takes one or two retracement, but it easily breaks this support. So we in this price action method, one of the price action method is support and resistance study. So we will never trade, okay? If you really want a setup which works more than 95%, we will never believe on this minor supports. We will always trade on the major support as a beginner. But if you are getting expert slowly with me, even you can get 100 number of chances to support to do the trading on this minor support as well. But as per the beginner, the thumb rule would be you should always try to trade on the major support because these supports are not broken so easily. Anyhow, I'm not talking about how to trade. First thing is learning, second would be earning. So the first thing is what is minor support. I am hope you are clear, and the major support I hope you are clear. Now my magical rule for the support. If support breaks, if the major support breaks, okay, I talk about support, though it could be minor, but mostly I'm referring here major support is broken. We will sell. We are going to sell there. Support is the line where mostly you will see, mostly here buyers are there. So when the price comes here, you try to buy here, because if you buy here, you are going to sell here. Again, the price drops, you are going to buy here and you are going to sell here. So support is the point where mostly people try to buy. But what if the support line is broken? Support is broken, then the price will go to the next support. If minor is broken, it will go to the next major support. Okay, in this diagram. So the rule is, if support is broken, we will sell on confirmation. It will give a huge breakout moves there. But the question is, believe me, even most of the time, if you are experienced seller, you know that though there are major supports also sometime broken, you sold there, but price again revert back from there, and your stop loss were executed. So you should never sell even though the major support is broken until you don't learn the rule of confirmation. Though the support is broken, this means sellers are very active. This means bears won over the bulls. That means you should never sell there directly. Most of the people do what? When the major support is broken, when this major support is broken, the price started going down. After, as soon as the major support is broken over here, they start selling it here blindly. And what price does? Price goes here, it turns here, it do sideways, and again it goes back, and your stop loss is hit. So how you should come to know this is a real breakout or it is a fake out? So that we will learn in the rule of confirmation. So in the rule of confirmation, that is my rule, I will teach you how you will come to know when the major support is broken, it is a real breakout or fake out. Then only you will take the entry and you are going to take a lot point from there. You will take the advantage of this rule and their magics will be happening. Let me show you quickly one chart on the gold, that is about COVID. Before the COVID, the support analysis which we had did, which was so true based on the magical rule we have, and we get a lot of profit. Let me show you. This is the gold chart, US dollar gold chart. You can see what you can see over here. Let me try to zoom out and try to show you something. Here, it had taken support once, twice, thrice, fourth time, fifth time. So what do you feel? Is it a major support or minor support? Come on, it's a major or minor? Definitely it's a major support because price is always respecting this line which we had drawn. How to draw the support line you are going to learn, don't worry. Just we are going to define here what is the major support and what is the advantage of major support and minor support we can take. Again, you can see after some time price also taken respect from the same line. That is called the magical power of the support and resistance. Again, the candlestick we will learn, and in the price action, I also teach many other tools and many other ways to handle such things. Again, see, price went up, went up, went up, went up, and here we are in the 27th Feb, where the news started coming out of the COVID. And here you can see there was a support breakout. You can see over here. This was a support breakout, but it is fake out. It is not a confirm breakout, because the rule of the confirmation we will learn, if even the breakout will come, this will not, though it's given a good point, but this is not a good breakout. Breakout should be very large. Okay. So I am going to teach you there, because see, if somebody is going to sell it here, because as soon as the candle breaks out, you will never get so much time to enter in the trade. you will not able to enter in the red here, because if it is giving breakout at this point, you may be enter in the middle, and what happened, it went till here and again it came back to the line, means your stop loss got hit and price went up. See, price went up. So this was definitely not a real breakout, this was a fake out. Okay, price went up and again it respected. How important this major support is, right? That is the goal of this course, to show you the thing in the live market. Today, the day I'm recording this session, the market is closed. Tomorrow the market would be open. Today is Sunday, so that's why I'm not able to show you. But the rest of the training videos, we had all taken in the live market, all the concepts. Okay, so you can see now here. See what happened. Let's try to see what happened. This breakout happened, and this time is the real breakout. This time is a real breakout. Now how you come to know this is a real breakout? Again, I'm going to teach you how you will 100% confirm like fake out like this and real breakout like this, how to capture those. Again, those things are a part of price action, but I am also going to teach you additionally in this course apart from the candlestick. Okay, in depth, because candlestick is the minimal thing you should know. So again, candlestick, I will also show you how you will come to know in the candlestick pattern this was something giving a confirmation you should sell here. So those we will combine. But you can see what a big move. You can see almost 9% or 10% drop from 1600 till 1400. That's called real breakout catches. So this is the rule which just we learned. If the major support is broken, and if not the first thing, only the major support, only major support broken is not the thing. If it is a fake, not it's not a fake out. If it's a major support is broken and it's a real breakout, then only we are going to take the entry on the confirmation. After the breakout, we are never going to enter in the trade. We never chase the trade. We should not need to chase the trade. When the breakout happen, let it happen, because if it is a real breakout, price will definitely come back. Let's see here. If this breakout, if you try to catch, you will be trapped. This is called bull traps. Okay, this is called bear trap. Bears are trapped here. So if this breakout happens, you don't need to enter on this candle. Let the price go. Price will definitely come back if it's a real breakout. Okay, now this is not the rule. Okay, don't take it as a rule, or don't take it as a confirmation rule. Confirmation rule is a different, that is a magical rule I am going to teach you. Based on that rule, here you are going to take entry. But again, one of the thing, based on the experience, based on my teaching style, definitely 99% if the real breakout, price would definitely come back. And there in the second attempt, we are going to take the entry. And in that entry, you are going to get these much bigger point, 10% gain in just few hours. You can see just 48 hours to 56 hours, you are getting this much 10% gain. Means the person who not gain 10% in the past 6 months, you gain in 1 or 2 days. That's the power of actual learning. Okay, that's the power of the candlestick, that's the power of support and resistance. Coming back to the slide. So if support is broken, we will only sell on confirmation. Otherwise, if support is broken, we will sell. If not broken, in this point, again on confirmation, we are going to buy. If you buy here, you will able to sell. If you buy here, you will able to sell. Okay. So I hope you are clear with the minor support, major support, and our support magical rule. Similar way, if you want to learn the support magical rule, similar way, there should be a resistance magical rule. Okay. Same thing, if you just reverse would be the resistance, magical rule, resistance, minor resistance, okay, major resistance. And again, those things we are going to learn in the next class, okay. What is minor resistance, major resistance? So support, if you understand, resistance would be just opposite, okay. But apart from this too, this is just one half. I know there are some people who will only watch this video and may be so happy they will directly jump into the trade without knowing the rule of confirmation, and most of the time their stop loss will hit because most of the time the breakouts are fake out. They will just go below the support line, they will just go below the support line and it will come back, and again it will be in the bull run. So you must learn the confirmation rule. So I'm going to teach you the confirmation rule. Along with that, then only on the confirmation rule, on the candlestick study, you are going to enter in the trade and you are going to just get a lot point here. So thank you so much for this session. Let's meet in the next session.